Hi guys, welcome back to my myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make Ankara wire fascinator, and these are the materials I'll be using. This is Ankara fabric, this is velvet material, this is elastic band, this is fascinator wire, and this is carton paper. If you are just joining us for the first time, please subscribe and turn on notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new tutorial. For this tutorial, I'll be making use of this fascinator wire. You can get this from people that sells bead. So the wire is actually not strong. I had to double it. That's why I'm saying 3 wire here, and I use this masking tape to hold it down. Let's measure the wire so you can know the weight. So this is it, 11 inches. So what I will do is to use your thread. I'm going to use it to hold it down. What I am using that thread to do, just hold the wire down. And continue using your thread to tie it, and the reason is just to hold this wire in place, this fascinator wire in place. And when you get to the head, you tie it. Now cut the thread off. So place your Ankara fabric this way. This is the right side of this Ankara fabric, and this is the wrong side. I place the fascinator wire inside the wrong side of the fabric, and this is what we'll be doing. So you hold your Ankara fabric. You hold it firm. Anyhow you want your fascinator to be, that is how you will drag. See what I have, and I will use needle and thread to tie it. When you are done, cut your needle and thread. Cut your thread off. Then you can cut the excess fabric. When you are done, you cut off your excess fabric. So guys, this is what we have. For the next thing to do is to cut what we are going to cover this up with. So we'll be using this carton. Place anything that is round like this one that I want to use. Let's measure. So this is 6 inches. I just place it and circle it. I'm going to trace it out. Fold this out. So when you are done, you place your tape rule. This is 2 inches. You mark it and you draw a line from that 2 inches down. So we're going to cut out half an inch from the both sides. Half an inch. Half an inch. So you connect it. Okay, I see what I am doing. Connect it. Half an inch, half an inch. So this is what I want us to form. So what we're going to do next is to apply gum. So I applied gum. Always wait for your gum to dry before you add your fabric. I am using a stick gum. So when you are done, this is velvet. I'm going to trim off and leave excess fabric that I'm going to fold him. When you apply your gum, allow it to dry a little and start folding in your excess fabric. Guys, we are done with this. This is what it looks like. Now you take your fascinator, ready. You're going to fix the band. So you can either use hot glue or you use needle and thread. You can use needle and thread to fix this, or you use hot glue to just glue it. But for the sake of this video, I'll be using needle and thread. So let's stitch. So when you are done sewing, you tie your thread and cut it off. So you can use small piece of fabric to cover this up, or you can leave it that way. It's not going to be showing when you are wearing it on your head. So this is it for now. Then we'll go back to this one. We're going to place this on the other side so it will stay this way. So you apply your hot glue. And hold it down to dry. When it's dry, this is what you're going to be doing. Be placing this on this one with the help of our hot glue. I'll be doing that. Just place your hot glue round. You press it and hold it there. Hold it down to dry. So guys, when it's dry, this is it. Our fascinator is ready. You can still design it. You can use this trim to design it. I cut out this piece from this trim, so you're going to put it this way. You can decide not to put it. You can leave yours the way it is already. For the sake of this video, I'm putting this. So with the help of hot glue, so I'll be applying this here. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, comment your opinion, and don't forget to share it for your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. The link on how I made this matching bag for this wire fascinator will be in the description below. You can check it out. Thank you guys.